Today, I am reviewing the Rabbit Air A3 SPA-1000N air purifier HEPA filter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I've spent the last 3 months living with the Rabbit Air A3, and if you are tired of bulky, ugly plastic boxes ruining your living room aesthetic, this might finally be the compromise you have been looking for. Most air purifiers are designed to be hidden in a corner, but this unit is clearly meant to be seen. After running it constantly in my main living space, which happens to be an open floor plan that connects to a kitchen prone to cooking odors, I have some strong thoughts on whether it actually earns that premium price tag. You can check the links below the video to see the current pricing or to explore the different filter configurations if you want to follow along with my experience. The first thing you notice is that it is legitimately quiet. When they claim it hits 20.3 decibels on the lowest setting, they aren't exaggerating for marketing fluff. I sleep with it in my bedroom occasionally, and I honestly forget it is even on. If you are a light sleeper or you need something for a nursery, this is one of the few purifiers I have tested that truly qualifies as silent. However, there is a catch. When you ramp the fan speed up to handle a heavy cooking session or a sudden influx of dust, it gets loud. It is not an annoying, high-pitched whine, but you will definitely hear it moving air. If you are looking for a unit that stays whisper quiet while scrubbing heavy smoke or strong odors, you are going to be disappointed because physics just doesn't work that way. The design is where this unit really separates itself from the competition. Being able to mount it on the wall is a game changer if you have limited floor space or curious pets that like to knock things over. It looks more like a piece of modern art than an appliance. The mood light is a nice touch, though I found myself turning it off most of the time because it is a bit distracting in a dark room. The app integration is solid, and I appreciate that the NFC filter tracking actually works. It takes the guesswork out of maintenance, which is a huge plus because I usually forget when it is time to swap out filters until I see dust build up. Speaking of filters, the customization is the main reason to buy this over a generic brand. I opted for the odor remover configuration because my kitchen is right next to my living area. It does a fantastic job with typical cooking smells like bacon or garlic, which usually linger for hours in my house. It doesn't eliminate them instantly, but it cuts the duration of the smell by more than half. If you have pets, you might want to look at the pet allergy filter instead, but keep in mind that these specialty filters are an extra cost you need to account for. Replacing them once a year is a decent trade-off for the performance, but don't expect the replacement costs to be cheap. Now, let's talk about the downsides, because no product is perfect. First, the price point is significant. You are paying for the design, the build quality, and the smart features as much as you are paying for the air purification. If you just want the cheapest air possible, this is not the right choice for you. You can find generic units that move the same amount of air for a fraction of the cost, but they will look like medical equipment and likely won't last as long or offer the same level of app control. Also, while the app is great, the initial setup can be a little finicky depending on your home Wi-Fi network. It took me a couple of tries to get it to sync, which was mildly frustrating. The coverage area is listed at over 1,000 square feet, and while it does move a lot of air, I would recommend it for spaces closer to 700 or 800 square feet if you want to keep the air quality consistently high without running the fan on high all day. If you try to push it to the absolute limit of its square footage, you will find yourself running it on the highest setting constantly, which defeats the purpose of having a quiet machine. Who is this for? If you value interior design, have a smaller home where floor space is at a premium, or you are particularly sensitive to noise, this is arguably the best unit on the market. It bridges the gap between a high-performance air cleaner and a piece of home decor. If you are a renter who cannot drill into walls, or if you are on a strict budget, you should probably look elsewhere. You can use the links below the video to see if the current price fits your budget or to compare the different filter options. Ultimately, my experience has been positive. It has survived 3 months of heavy use without a single mechanical hiccup, and the air in my home feels noticeably fresher, especially during allergy season. It is a premium product, and it feels like one, but you have to decide if that aesthetic and the quiet operation are worth the premium you are paying. If you have any questions about how it handled specific odors or how the mounting process works, feel free to drop a comment below. Otherwise, check the links in the description to see if the Rabbit Air A3 is the right fit for your home.